Hey, hello friends, what's up? Ritesh here, welcome to my channel. This is a Secrets Tank channel. Today's topic about what should we keep makes Malawi secrets? Then answer is yes, you can, but there are some terms and conditions. But my experience and other people who kept them previously, they teach us and they told us definitely their experience was good. And my friends, I am telling about only African cichlids, not other American and South American cichlids, which is a very different. Their tanks and their criteria is a totally different. Of course, you can keep three types of cichlids from Lake Malawi, Tanganyika, and Victoria. Remember it, my friends. Lake Victoria lakes cichlids are getting little bit bigger, so keep them in a community. If you think keep them in a community, definitely you want to keep them in a bigger tank, more than 100 gallon. I'm telling here only about Lake Malawi cichlids. There are three different criteria, three different, sorry, not criteria, there are three different categories, which is embona, which is we can call that rockfish, haplochromis, and peacocks. They are open swimmers, fishes. They are real predators. Now let's talk about my tank. This is my tank. You have to see in onto the screen. And the yellowish fishes all are the embonas, which is are very aggressive. That's why doing here a hardscape. Because they are bullying other fishes. There are some small fishes you have to see on seen on the screen, and other open swimmers, which is a giraffe type, and others are which is in a red. This is a strawberry color. This is a dragon bird, electric blue, dolphin mori. All this have and peacocks live together happily. That's only I have to explain you how I keep them successfully. Remember, when you keep them together, your tank will be full of color and shapes. But other side of that is there are so much aggression that can be deal easily. When you keep them, you have to understand all those things. I'm telling you because open water haps and peacocks will be share same area with embolas, because they won't be fight much more like they fight with their own species. You have to be seen more times haps and embolas share their territorial area, so that's the biggest benefit of that community tank. There only need to be, you should have to do for them nice aquascaping, the big and nice aquascaping or hardscape you can say. There should be big tanks up to 120 gallons. I recommend you, my friends, if you thinking about Malawi cichlids, mixed Malawi cichlids, then keep them in a more than 125 gallons with a specific species. Once you keeping sorry, once you making a hardscape, then remember, please don't put rocks however it may be. Set them like properly in a lake, like that they in a lake. Most important thing is dead driftwood sticks or branches you can use here. Did you hear, my friends? I said dead driftwood, meaning of that very old and dubbed driftwood, which one you can use only into your tank, because new one driftwood can release their chemical that's very harmful to your water conditions, and definitely that will be decrease your pH level. That's why I recommended you dub and very old driftwood only you have to use in a Malawi tank. Let's talk about the benefit of a mixed Malawi cichlids or mixed African cichlids. First of all, I want to tell you, your tank looking full of a different shape, size, and colorful. This is a very beautiful, and of course, this is the best. And with a great aquascape, it's looking amazing. And again, I want to say that second one, my opinion is it's looking like a jungle area now. Third one, I want to say that hardscape or aquascaping helps to busy and getting chance to open water and other fishes to swim throughout the tank. If there are some fish are weak or pulling by other other fishes which are very big, then that small fish can hide behind that rock or structure you can escaping or set in your tank. And of course, according to my experience, these species are not much fight for territory with other species, and different kind of a species in your tank, then automatically your aggression will be balanced. some basic things I want to tell you here. I told you in my previous videos, but right now I'm telling here you, my friends. Filtration system must be grateful and balanced when you keep the fishes in a amount or not. But whatever kind of your tank, your filtration system must be good. Feed them proper diet. Every week 20% water must be changed. That advice helps your tank grow up. Obviously, here I am telling here about water temperature. The water temperature should be 26 degrees Celsius. This is the ideal temperature for any kind of African cichlids. I think if you have a bigger tank, your tank size is up to 100 or 120 gallon, then definitely you won't face any kind of critical conditions and negative conditions. And full of oxygen in your tank is a key to success. I told you in my previous videos, my friends. Most important thing is when you keep them with other Africans or in African community, the choose their variety very wisely, and about feeding, give them proper diet in time, as well as when you will making hardscape for aquarium, for Malawi aquarium, then there should be lots of free space for open swimming. That's it. I hope you understand these advices and love this video. So thanks for joining, my friends. Stay safe, stay happy.